That's so cool. Look at the colors on that too.
Oh my goodness. That guy went.
Drop jaw, inhale.
Yeah. Right here.
All right. That's a good fish.
Yes. Slick rainbow. And there you go. Oh, let me get that off real quick. I foul hooked him. There we go. How in the world did I foul hook you? Oh, it's a pretty rainbow. Oh, it's on the silver bullet. Rainbow on. Oh, wow, I barely hooked you. I'm surprised you didn't come off. Rainbow on the silver bullet. Let's see now. Kind of know where they are now. Yep. Oh, I got the bigger one. Oh my goodness, I wish I had my net. Oh my goodness, I wish I had my net.
I have a net. I have a net.
Oh, he's on the side. He's...
What is that? Oh my goodness.
I can't get him up, his head up. You want to go? Oh.
No. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's... He's off.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, dude, stop. What? Dude! That's a monster.
Oh, that is a big
my net
fish.
is not big enough. I'm like,
that is a big fish.
He's so strong, it flips right on my net.
Holy smokes. That's bigger than the one my friend caught out of here. And I thought he caught the biggest one out of here.
There's always a bigger one.
That's what they say. That's what I hear them say all the time. I thought yeah.
That is...
That's a solid fish.
Here, I'm gonna kind of... Yeah, he's a big fish.
Look at that.
That's so cool. Look at the colors on that too.
There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, no. How'd I miss him? Oh. How'd I miss him? No way.
I'm just watching you now.
Nice fish. Had a hit? Oh, nice fish. Right there, time to let him go. That one was on the bottom. Good fish. Good brown. That's a pretty brown. Huh. That is a pretty brown. All right. Ouch. Nice. That one. Oh, whoa. I thought that was a step, but it was not. Nice fish right there. And let him go. Oh, and I don't have a net. Oh, it's a whitey. Darn it. Yeah. It's a whitey. Whiteys usually fight a lot harder though. Dude, he's a fat one. Oh, please don't. I need to get you off quick. Dude, that's a pregnant fat whitey. That's gotta be. I've never seen a whitey so thick.
I don't catch them very often.
That had to have been a pregnant fat whitey. Oh yeah, nice one. Oh, jeez, he bent me the opposite way. Woo!
Another one of those that barely fits?
Yeah. Oh, it looks like he's already off.
Maybe.
Is he? At least this is painful. Oh!
Look what he's got in his mouth.
Got a...
Oh, he got hooked with those. He's got a grasshopper thing.
Yeah, I've got to get him I'm gonna put my rod down. Yeah, that's a Chernobyl. Oh wow.
He's all tangled up.
Yeah, he is.
He's got 2 other flying his mouth.
Oh my goodness. He's got like.
What do they call surgery?
Right.
You're holding the net. You can use 2 hands to operate him, or you got it.
Yeah. Okay, so that's mine. Oh, look at that guy. All right, that's a good. That's gotta be a. There's a fish. That's gotta be a hit. Right? Don't you think?
Oh.
Yep.
The smallest fish for sure.
Bottom fly too. Good brown. Yeah, that's a good brown actually. It's a real good brown. Bottom fly. He wasn't coming off. He was. Oh, do you? Nice. On the pheasant tail. That was a quick hit too. I mean, he didn't even. It's always nice when you're like, yeah, that's gonna be a hit. No, sadly. Isn't that unfortunate? It wasn't on. I did not get the right now on camera. But like all my hits have been, except for that one small one, have been right through this center. That's what's crazy to me. Yeah. I'm shocked though, like right here at this point, that I haven't had a hit. And then, oh! No. It was a good fish.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
That's the fish we're after. Oh, let's go home then.
It was a good fish. I mean, when I say good fish, I think it was pushing 15, 16. But I had just said I'm shocked that I have not had a hit right on that shelf. And then bam. And I couldn't set the hook right. Oh my goodness. That guy went after it. Yeah.
He put the hammer down.
He put the hammer on that pheasant tail. It's a good brown. It's a good brown. It's not as big as the one that I just missed, but that was a hit.
It went under. In this calm water, if it's going under,
Usually that's a hit.
so many times. There's no degree of.
There's got to be a big one in here. It's too deep through here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I was going to cast. It's a decent fish, too. I was going to cast when this guy hit. On the bottom again. Nice brown on the pheasant tail. What a walk down though. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. This is a good one. Which one did he hit? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Not on the top one. Oh, it's a whitey. Dang it. It's a whitey. Looks like I... Decent fish to end on. Oh no, that's okay. We got some video of them. That is a good rainbow, actually. Phil? Yeah, I was gonna say. Chunky. Haha. What's up, everyone? Andrew here with Family Fly Ties, and also my friend Cameron with Tradlife Outdoors, which is what the hat represents. We're out here fishing a river in the mountains of Utah. It's been another great day, good fun, especially when you're one or two only fly fishermen on the river. You can't beat that.
Real.
So got in some good rainbows, good browns, and a nice sized whitefish. So hope you enjoy the bite clips and the video. In the meantime, as always, cheers to tight lights.